In Khaos Control Cloud, it's possible to set up supplier price lists. These will allow you to specify any quantity breaks and discounts that are to be applied when stock items are purchased from specific suppliers. To set up a supplier price list, we need to go to the promotions area of the system and select Supplier Price Lists. In the price list screen, click the supplier search box at the top of the grid and a pop-up will be displayed. Locate and then double-click the supplier whose prices are to be amended. The grid will now populate with any items that are already present on the selected supplier's price list. Clicking the Edit button followed by Plus New will present us with a stock lookup so we can select the stock item that is to be added to the price list. If a stock item has multiple price breaks, we will need to add it to the grid multiple times. We will now define any quantity breaks, prices, as well as any discounts. Finally, we will save the price list. Thanks for watching.